Good morning, everyone. I'm Anubhav Patra, the team leader of Group 8. We will discuss the challenges which are faced during you are doing a startup. Topic 1, Finance. Let's get directly into it. You need cash. Except if you are surprisingly fortunate and the incomes are straight away into a bank. This might not seem like an issue, but if not, then you need to deal with it. New companies ought to consistently discover methods for limiting their expenses. Invoice factoring in another method for accelerating the record receivable process new business. And also utilizing accounting software to keep a tab on cash coming all through the business is additionally a smart choice.
According to scientific research, the planning can help companies grow 30% faster. It's exceptionally interesting about how even companies think of entering the market without a strong arrangement. So what is the solution? Well, before you launch the business, it is significant for new companies to complete intensive research by examining and researching. This methodology is the bedrock for an effective business, which should be seen in all ways of vision.
Topic 3. Staff is resisting change. A developing organization will be continually changing methods just as different procedures. There will be staff that are amazingly contracted to change them may be diminished or their expected set of responsibilities could have changed. It is easier to circulate around your workplace about these channels and website development services.
A devotee team with a diverse range of abilities is significant for new companies to develop and succeed. There ought to be legitimate cooperative energy, coordination, and correspondence among the individuals from a group. These course of action per the individuals to help one another, gain from one another, and put a deliberate exertion as to make.
Topic 4, Dealing with competitors. When managing competitors in a similar industry, you may feel out of the place. It tends to be threatening, particularly on the off chance that you are contrasting yourself with organizations that have been around for a long time. Look for help and counsel for the professionals. Draw in with them and know risks and challenges of starting a business can be alluring. To conquer the competition, new companies should look into and break down their specialties. They ought to be remarkable and distinctive in approach and ought to have the option to make, actualize and track their business and advertising plan. They should be flexible and centered towards keeping their case unblemished.
Point 5. Time management. According to a report, it is estimated that 90% of your startup fails, but you don't necessarily have to be part of that club. In the new start companies, there will never be sufficient opportunity, the million and one choices to be made, and just 24 hours in your hand. So start by disposing of or limiting interruptions, anything that impedes maintaining your business. Mobile app development solution only successful when the time is managed. New organizations should be adept at making creative showcasing plans, putting ads and telling individual 10 of their items or administration. To lay it out plainly, a showcasing technique has vision through their business objective. It ought to have the option to clarify the position and job business item or administration in the market.
Number 6. Cyber security. The face of digital wrongdoing has expanded significantly during the recent years. The rate is going to increase in the coming very long time also. New companies that are active online do tend to face online security danger. Be it unapproved access to startup touch data, representative record, financial balance data, or whatever other related data that is esteemed significant for the endurance of tech startups, they are in danger. So as to shield this extremely significant online information, new business needs to have a vigorous and military-grade security framework set up. Virtual private system associated effectively protect the startup data, the representative record by offering excluding necessary interruption and information security to startup workers. In this way, confining unapproved access to hierarchical information over the web.
7. Technology. The whole thought of looking past the typical startup and software development companies' difficulties without inspecting about technology would be incomplete. In new business, technology concludes down to be colossal job in advancement, no ifs or buts. In any case, tossing technology at each shoe and expecting results is a flat out no-no. It It is basic to check whether the client is prepared for the tech insurgency. On of the chance that they are not, it's ideal to progress them gradually so you don't wind up baffling them by giving cool arrangements that they are neither ready to comprehend nor use. The mantra is quite clear: get out there, remain as near the market as could be allowed, and be adaptable to make changes in a hurry. The achievement will follow.
Now, last and the final topic 8. Marketing. This is an essential spend, and if they are not spent in correct manner, they can be difficult to handle. Very few get the correct quantifiable profit on that spend. Before you hire app developers for any series of tasks, make sure that you know the importance of marketing. According to the research done by CVI Insights, 42% of businesses fail for this simple reason: marketing. Assigning errands and reappropriating will empower you to concentrate on progressively significant things close by. Continue teaching your objective market and never surrender. Continue refreshing your advancement until your initiative in business is positive and clear.
If you liked our video, kindly like, subscribe and share. If you are willing to give any suggestion, kindly fill the Google form in the description. Thank you.